morning children. In today's class we will study how to find the sum of first n terms of an AP, how to add the terms of an AP. So for that you have to use the formulas. So the formulas are here. Sn, S represents sum of the terms of an AP, n represents number of terms. It may be 13th term, it may be 20th term. So how to find the sum of n terms of an AP? So you can use the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP, where n represents number of terms, a represents the first term, n again number of terms, and d represents difference. Yes, this is one formula. Now this same formula can also be rewritten as Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. So when to use this formula, children? This formula can be used when you know the first term and the last term. L here represents an. An is nothing but the last term. So in an AP, if you know the first term and the last term, then you have to use this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. When you don't know the last term, of an AP, you have to use this formula. That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay children? And then you have one more formula here, that is sum of first n positive integers. Yes, the sum of first n positive integers. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Find the sum of first 100 positive integers. When it is given like that, only then you can use the formula Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the formula to be used when you have to find the sum of first n positive integers. Okay, it is only in case of first n positive integers starting from 1 positive integers only you can find the sum using this formula, that is Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the formulas to be used to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay children, now using these formulas we will solve the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Okay, so the first main is find the sum of the following APs. They have given the APs, you have to find the sum of these APs. Okay children, so I will show you few examples. I will show you the second one, the terms given are minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on till 12 terms. Okay, you have to find the sum of this particular AP till where? Till 12 terms. Okay, you have to find the sum of 12 terms of this particular AP. Okay, so last term is not known yet, so we have to use the first formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so write the first term. The first term here is minus 37. Then d, difference is minus 33 minus of minus 37. That is you get minus 33 plus 37, that is equals to 37 minus 33 is 4. So 4 is the difference. Now write the formula. Sn is equals to 2a plus, it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Now substituting this to find the sum of 12 terms of an AP. So the number of terms of which you have to find the sum is 12. So write as 12. The number of terms we have to find the sum is 12. So substitute 12 here. And it will be again 12 because we have to find the sum of 12 numbers. So 12 by 2 plus 2 into a. A is nothing but minus 37. N is again 12. 12 minus 1 into D. D is what children? 4. Okay. So just substitution and simplify. So 12 by 2 will give you 6 plus 2 into 37. 2 into 37 is minus 14, 2 3 is 6, minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, and 11 into 4 will give you 44. Okay children, 44. Simplify. 6 plus minus 74 plus 44. How much you are going to get? You will get minus 13. Yes, 6 plus of minus 13. Yes, that is nothing but 6 minus 30. Minus 74 plus 44 is nothing but 30. Okay, now add plus into minus is minus, and 6 minus 30. 6 minus 30 will give you 24. So the sum of 12 terms of an AP is 24 here. Okay children. So this is the way you have to find the sum of terms in an AP. Okay. Now coming to the next example. Let's see example 4. Yes, the fourth question of first way. So the fourth AP given is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, and so on up to 11 terms. Okay, up to 11 terms you have to find the sum of this particular AP. This is the given AP. Like this you have to continue till 11. Yes, you have to find the sum of 11 terms of this particular AP. Again the last term is not known. So write the A value, B value and use the formula. So A here is 1 by 15. The first term. Then difference is nothing but A2 minus A1, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 60, 12 and 15. So here 12 5s are and 15 4s are. Yes children? So 5 minus 4. 1 into 5 is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60. So the difference here is 1 by 60. Okay? Now use the formula. And what is n children? How many? We have to find the sum of how many terms? Up to 11 terms. So n is 11. So write the formula now. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now substitute. We are finding the sum of 11 terms. So n is 11. 11 by 2 into 2 into a. A is 1 by 15 plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1 into d. D is 1 by 60. Okay children. Now simplify. So it is 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1. It is 10. 10 into 1, 10 upon 60. Okay. So now the zeros will get cancelled. So now remaining is 11 by 2 into, yes it is 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Now again take the LCM. The LCM of 15 and 6. The LCM of 15 and 6. So it is 2 to 6, 6 5 are 30. LCM is 30. Okay. So 15 2s are 6 5s are. Okay. So it is 4 plus 5. Okay. Now simplify it further. So you will get 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5 by 30. 4 plus 5 by 30 is nothing but 9 by 30. Okay children. Now simplify further. It is into. Okay. So into 11 times are 99. 2 into 30 is 60. 99 by 60. You can simplify it. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So it is 33 by 20. So the sum of 11 terms of this particular AP is 33 by 20. Understood children? This is the way you have to find the sum of the terms. second. So the second thing is find the sums given below. Here also the AP is given, you have to find the sum. So I will take one example, first one as an example, 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. Okay, this is the AP given. You have to find the sum of these terms till 84. Okay, so here the first term is 7. Yes, and what is the difference you can see here is the last term. The last term is also given. So we can use the second formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n. Okay children, so a is given. But to use that formula, n we have to find. Yes, n is not known. N by 2 into a plus l it is. So firstly we have to find n. And the last term is given as 84. Yes children. So to find n, we have to use an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so find d. What is the difference? Difference is 10 integer 1 by 2 minus 7. So you get 20, 2 times are 21 by 2 minus 7. Yes, so you get 21 minus 14 by 2. That is nothing but 21 minus 14 is 7 by 2. Okay, that is the difference. Now use an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. Understood? Firstly we have to find n. To use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. Because how many terms are to be founded? It is not given. How many terms sum we have to find is not given. So firstly we have to find the n value and then use the formula to find the sum. Okay, so substitute. an is something like the last term. Last term is given as 84. A is 7 and we have to find, and d is 7 by 2. Okay, so 84 minus 7. 7 I will take on this side. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay, 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 will give you 77. Right children? Is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Now 7 by 2 also take on the other side. So 77 into 2 by 7 is equals to n minus 1. 7 comes out 7 11. So 22 is equals to n minus 1. So minus 1 if you take on this side, you will get 22 plus 1. So n is equals to 23. Yes, so you got the value of n. Now you can find sum of the terms. Yes, that is, I will write this here. This is, if you subtract, you will get 7 by 2. Okay. Now find. So now we understood that from 7 to 84, how many terms are there? 23 terms are there. It means from 7 to 84. Now we have to find the sum of these 23 terms. Where first term and last term are given. So use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n. Okay children? So Sn is, we have to find sum of 23 terms. 23 is equals to n is, we have find it out as 23. So substitute 23 by 2 into a is 7 plus n, last term is 84. Okay, is equals to 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84. 7 plus 84 is nothing but 91. Yes, and 23 into 91 will give you 2093 divided by 2. If you multiply 23 into 91, you will get 2093 divided by 2. Now this you can write it in the mixed fraction form. Mixed fraction form you can write it as 1046 integer 1 by 2. Yes, this will be the sum of 23 terms of this particular AP. So the remaining two you can solve it by yourselves. Now next coming to the third way. Yes. Now the third main question, they have given the APs and they have given the different things what is to be finded out. Let's see which sum of the given things. Okay, I will show 10 questions are there in this third main. I will show you few based on that you can solve the remaining ones. Okay, so firstly I will take the second third main. Second one question is given is a is equals to 7 is given. 830 is given as 35. This is also given. You have to find D, we have to find, and we have to find S30. Okay, these are the two things we have to find. D is difference and S13. S13 is nothing but sum of 13 terms. You have to find based on these given things. The first term is given and the 13th term is given. Okay. Yes. Now how to find children? Okay. So right now use this. A13 is equals to 35. Now this I can write it as A13 we can find it by A plus 12D. Isn't it? One less than this. A13 we find this term by using A plus 12D. Okay. Now substitute. A13 is given as 35. A is also given. So substitute A as 7 plus 12 D. D we have to find here. Okay, so everything is given, we can find the value of D. So 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. Okay children, so 35 minus 7 gives you 28. 28 is equals to 12D. So D will be equals to 12 on the other side. 28 divided by 12. If you simplify this, 4 3s are 4 7s are. So D is equals to 7 by 3. Okay. So we have got D. Now find S13. Yes. How to find S13 children? So which formula to be used? Yes. We have to find the sum of 13 terms. And A13 is also given. A13 sum of 13 terms means this is nothing but the last term. Okay, so we can directly use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L children. Okay, because the last term is known, sum of 13 terms and the 13th term is also given. Yes, so S13 we have to find. N is 13. 13 by 2 into A plus L. A is 7 plus L. L is last term, that is 35. Okay. So 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35 is nothing but 42. Okay. Now simplify. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are. So 13 into 21. So 13 into 21 gives you 273. So this is the sum of 13 terms. 273. Okay children. This is the way you have to solve it. Let's take one more example from the third main. Fourth one given is 18. 18 is given as 15 and S10 is given as 120. into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Now substitute. S10 is given as 125. N is nothing but 10. 10 by 2 into 2a. First term is not known. Okay, so write it as this plus n. N is nothing but 10. 10 minus 1 into d. D is also not known. We have to find d also. And 10th term also. Okay, so 125 is equals to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 into 2a. 10 minus 1 9. 9 into d 9d. Okay. Okay, so you get 125. Now 5 you can take on the other side. Divided by 5 is equals to 2a plus 9d. Okay children. So you get 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are is equals to 2a plus 9d. So two things are unknown here, a and d. Okay, so let it be like this only. Take it as equation 1. Okay. Now let's write the other given one. A3 is 15. Okay, so A3 we can find it by a plus 2d. Right? So A3 is nothing but 15 is equals to A. A also is not known. Difference is also not known. So take this as equation 2. Okay, then here also A, D is unknown. Here also A and D is unknown. So you have to solve it simultaneously to find the values of A and D. Okay, now you can see here the coefficient of A here is 2 and here is 1. So both has to be like terms. Yes, the coefficients also has to be same so that it can get cancelled. Okay, one will get cancelled and we can find the other one. So to make the coefficient of A here also 2, multiply the whole equation by 2. Okay, so to make the coefficient of A same. So this will be, so this equation comes to 2 into all the terms you have to multiply. 2 into 15 30, 2 into A 2a and plus 2 into 2d 4d. Okay, so now this is our changed equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so 30 is equals to 2a plus 4d. Now you can change here children. You can see 2 is common everywhere. Yes, 2 is common everywhere. So you can divide throughout this equation by 2. It becomes easier to simplify. So 15 is equals to a plus 2d. Okay, dividing throughout 2 is a common factor. So 2, if you take out the 2 as common factor, remaining is 15 is equals to a plus 2d. Now write the first equation. 25 is equals to 2a. We are making this same, so no need to change this. Again the coefficient will change. Okay, so 30 is equals to 2a plus 4d. Write it as it is. Then the first equation 25 is equals to 2a plus 9d. Okay, then this coefficient will become same. If we again divide, the coefficient will not become same. Okay children, so let it be same. Now subtract. So this will get cancelled. 2a minus 2a will get cancelled. 30 minus 25 gives you 5 and 4 minus 9 gives you minus 5d. So d will be is equals to minus 5 by 5, that is d is equals to minus 1. Okay, so 1 we got difference as minus 1. Now find out A10. A10 you know how to find. A10 is nothing but a plus 9d. So we know A. Okay, so still A is not known. So you can substitute this being unknown. Substitute before this. Substitute d is equals to minus 1 in any one of the equations. Okay, I will substitute 1. So if you substitute in 1, you get equation 1 is 25 is equals to 2a plus 9b. 25 is equals to 2a plus 9 into minus 1. Okay, so 25 is equals to 2a minus 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Minus 9 on the other side. 25 plus 9 is equals to 2a. 25 plus 9 is you have B, then you can find A10. Okay, so I'll run here. So A10 will be nothing but A plus 9B. Okay, that is A17 plus 9 into B is minus 1. So 17, 9 into minus 1, minus 9. So 17 minus minus 8. So 10th term is 8. Understood, children? This is the way. As you go on solving, you will understand where we have to use which formulas and find the unknown things. Okay, children? So let's see. 7th one of third. So in 7th one, given is A is equals to 8, AN is equals to 62 and SN is equals to 210. You have to find N and D. These are the two things you have to find. Yes, given is A is equals to 8, AN is equals to 62 and SN, sum of N terms is 210. You have to find the value of N and D, that is number of terms and difference. Okay, so we will start with A is equals to 62. Yes, AN is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, children? So AN is given, so substitute here 62. A is also given, so substitute 8 plus N minus 1 into D. D is also not given, so write it as it is. Okay, so now this 62, you can take 8 on this side, 62 minus 8 into N minus 1 into D. Okay, 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 will give you 54. Okay, is equals to N minus 1 into D. Okay, so now here N is also unknown, D is also unknown, which we have to find. Okay, so let's go for Sn. Okay, let this be as it is. We will solve Sn. Sn is equals to